Imagine a battery that powers the devices continuously for 50 hours without ever needing a recharge. Well, it sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's now a reality with the Betavolt BV100 nuclear battery. Well, let us dive into this groundbreaking innovation and see how it is set to revolutionize the energy technology. Hello everyone. I know it has been a long time since I posted videos, but here I am. Welcome back to my channel at TechGet. And let's get started with the same. Developed by the Chinese company Betavolt, the BV100 is a coin-sized nuclear battery which measures just 15 into 15 by 5 millimeters. Well, despite its tiny size, this battery promises an outstanding lifespan of half a century without needing any sort of maintenance or recharge. But how does it work? Well, the BB100 utilizes the radioactive decay of the nickel 63 isotope. So, as the nickel 63 decays, it emits beta particles, which are essentially high energy electrons. These particles are captured by the ultra thin diamond semiconductor layers, which are about 10 microns thick, and then they convert this energy into a steady electric current. This process ensures a stable and long lasting power source as well. So, what are the key features of the BB100? So, looking into it, it is the miniature design which makes it suitable for integration into various devices. Also, it's safe because of the layer of diamond shading. It prevents radiation leakage as well. Also, it allows it to be durable as well, with the ability to operate in about extreme temperature, ranging from minus 60 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. Thus, it makes it ideal to operate in harsh environments as well. Well, what about applications? You can think about applications in pacemakers, aerospace equipment, remote sensors, and even devices in deep sea exploration or even in space missions. Basically, it can be used anywhere where changing or charging batteries is difficult or next to impossible. Well, compared to traditional lithium ion batteries, which last just a few years, the BB100 is a 50-year lifespan battery, can drastically reduce e-waste as well as some maintenance requirements. So now you might be wondering, what about the safety? Isn't nuclear power risky? Well, that is a good question. The BB100 uses beta radiation, which doesn't penetrate human skin. Plus, the entire unit is sealed within an artificial diamond layer, which is one of the toughest materials on Earth. Well, Betavolt is not stopping there. The company has also planned to scale up the power up to 1 watt and beyond. Well, this will be potentially enough to power smartphones and even drones non-stop for decades. Well, a nuclear battery that lasts 50 years, that is safe, compact, and eco-friendly. Well, the Betavolt BB100 could be the start of a new energy era. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more tech videos like this. Let me know in the comments below what would you choose to power with a 50-year battery. Well, also let me know which type of videos do you want to see next. I would love to hear about it as well. Thank you.